All writing is not novel or fiction writing. There are dozens and dozens of fantastic non-fiction writing opportunities waiting for you. My dear writer friends, they are waiting for you in business, technical fields, and in many other fields out there today. So just to give you an idea, to inspire you, I compiled the selected list of 50 kinds of nonfiction writing jobs available out there. Here we go. User guides and manuals, installation guides and manuals, quick reference guides or manuals, software release notes, architecture and engineering specs, software, hardware, and network help files, system administration guides, manuals, training and e-learning guides, gamification scripts and storyboards, web content, print and op-ed articles for periodicals, newspapers, etc., white papers, corporate reports, meeting minutes, traditional books and e-books, standard operating procedure, SOP guides, style guidelines, marketing requirements document for software companies, quality control guides, quality assurance guides and manuals, engineering testing guides, manuals and scenarios and scripts, product specifications, process specifications, cost and time estimates, project schedules, compatibility matrices or guides and manuals, interviews with people, with celebrities or non-celebrities for your local publications or national publications and websites, news articles, commentary on current events, direct mail copy, catalog copy, emails, autoresponder series, traditional letters, interdepartmental memo templates and memos, resumes and resume templates, social media content of all kinds, Facebook, Twitter, LinkedIn, etc., surveys and questionnaires, business plans, RFP, request for proposal replies, customer service scripts, telephone scripts, video storyboards, public presentations and lectures, textbooks, speeches, speech writing, very lucrative field if you can do it, tutorials of all kinds, human relations, HR guidelines and policy books, quality control documents, packaging copy, obits, believe it or not, obituaries, somebody's writing them every day, and web copy of all kinds. So here you are, just 50 of many available nonfiction writing opportunities out there. I wish you well and hope to see you soon in the next video.